Bharat, what did you get? Mean deviation?
Doing, ma'am.
Yes, doing it. Okay, do it. 38.7 is the answer for median.
No, ma'am. 38.69, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
Medium.
69 is 38.7. So median equal to 38.69. So we will want mean deviation. So what is the sigma of all the deviation? Anyone? Okay. You all need time. Someone posted an answer earlier. 156.3 or just check. You're close. I mean, in the sense, just check your division and answer is right, but so what is your sigma FT? So sometimes if it is 38.69 like that, you can round it off, so that it's easier for your calculation purpose. You can take it as 38.7, otherwise be very tedious, no? If you have left it as 0.69 and calculated also, it is perfectly fine, no issues. What is the sigma FT? Elijah?
Ma'am, I did it by mean, ma'am. Mean
Okay, what's
deviation
your
about
mean?
mean, ma'am.
What's your mean? How much is your mean?
Mean is 42.33, ma'am.
So you're getting 42 a mean. Then there could be a slight difference.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I just did mean deviation.
Yeah. So if it is mean, then it is 42.3.
3, ma'am.
Mean, then it is 42 point. How much you said, Elijah?
42.33, ma'am.
33. Okay.
Ma'am,
Good.
for big sigma FD is getting a big value, ma'am.
Yeah, you're listening. How much?
Ma'am.
Sigma FP. 1000?
32, 32,000, 3 lakhs 23,416 I'm getting.
Why, man?
One minute.
42 only, no. See, you would have
And
taken your midpoint. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
From your midpoint only, you will be calculating all this difference. Between 38 and 42 also, there is only hardly some 4 or 5 difference. That's it.
Uh,
So why you should get that much?
I'll just add it, ma'am. I think I
Hmm.
missed that
Yeah.
point, decimal point, ma'am.
See, so here we will need one midpoint. Okay. Midpoint, which is M.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I got,
Hmm.
ma'am, sigma FD is
Yeah.
1776, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So it's
Point
close to 1800 something. It's okay. You are getting 1700, is it?
1776.28, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Because of all the decimals, we might be getting. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Ma'am, mean deviation 1.56, ma'am.
Mean deviation are getting just 1.56. Check others.
And coefficient 0.0403, ma'am.
Hmm. With what did you divide? What's your divisor?
Median, ma'am.
Who did with median? See, mean deviation, please tell me what is your sigma FD. Not sigma D, sigma FD. Okay, so here your M will be
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, can we do assume mean method, ma'am?
Yeah, you can do anything, fine, anything. That's why I've taught you all the methods. Just I want you to find mean. That's all.
Ma'am,
So
I
what?
did assume mean method also.
Yeah. How much are you
Can
getting?
my mean deviation is 60 and
How much?
coefficient 60.
No, your mean is how much?
My mean is 35.
35, huh? Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Then
Then my mean deviation is 60.
15 or 16?
60.
1 6.
Yeah, 60, ma'am.
60, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check why you people are getting all those answers. Okay. So what
Ma'am, is the
happened?
median is 15.76, ma'am?
Very good, very good. Which
Thank
one
you,
you are
ma'am.
saying? Mean deviation, right?
Mean deviation, yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the answer I'm looking for. Very good.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I got
yes.
16.91, ma'am.
Yeah, something at least closely. You all are saying varying in different ranges. That's why I got scared by
15
What is the coefficient, ma'am?
what part? Coefficient
What
is
is
0.4.
I got 0.39, ma'am.
Yes. 39 is 0.4, obviously. Very good.
Ma'am
That's
is
what it can be close. It can be, some 0.5 point difference, or if it is mean, it could be based on assumed or based on other things. There could be variation, but it can't vary like some 15 or 20 points. You understand? Some 1 or 2 variation is perfect. Like somebody said 0.41, somebody said 0.39. 0.4 is the answer. So these both are close. Everybody will understand with decimals. Obviously, this erratic answers would be there, but it can't be erratic to the core, right? Slight variation will be there. That is understandable. So you can't just like that say your mean deviation is 70, 80 like that. Just 15.7 something. So it could be even 15.6 or it could even be 16 point something. Right? What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
15.74.
Very good, very good, very perfect. 15.74 is the perfect answer. Right, 74, 75, 76,
0.73.
whatever. So with what method you did, Jensen, whether it is mean or through median?
Ma'am, using mean, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Using mean.
Mean or
Using mean.
median?
I did it.
I didn't get
Mean.
Jensen. What? Mean. Okay. So what was your mean value?
Ma'am, using mean. Ma'am, mean was 38.1. 38.1.
Okay. So you got mean as 38.1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See there itself.
Yes, ma'am.
So your mean and median, see not much difference. So Elijah, you have to check how you got 42, right? So it is close to 38.6 or 38.1. It is in that range only. So that's why I said whether you calculate mean or whether you calculate median, look at the difference, not much. And then when you calculate the deviation from the respective mean or median, it will vary, but it will vary in values. But the total variation will be the kind of similar, right? Compared to this and that. Except for the decimal points where you would have considered, you would have rounded off. Only depending on that, there would be change. Otherwise, the whole value will be more or less the same. Yes, Parth, someone wanted to clarify. So all you have to do is do an, so D will be, instead of in the place of X, you will have M, right? In the place of X, you will have M minus midpoint. M minus 38.7. Then next last column only you will calculate F into D. So here you will ignore signs. So it will be 5 minus 38.7. Okay. So just start with that. So it will be F into D. Right. So then at the end you will take a total. You will get sigma F. I hope all of you are able to follow and get it. So in case it is less than problem, what you will do will be, first you have to convert the problem into a regular problem, right? And then only start. So you will have your midpoint, then you would have found out your median, or you would have found out your mean, whatever. Then from there, midpoint, you will find the deviation from mean or median. Then all the deviation you will write. Then you will multiply your deviation with that of your frequency. And then you will total that up. So your mean deviation will be your sigma FD by N, right? And then your coefficient will be mean deviation divided by either mean or median, depending on whatever you have calculated. So is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So all have completed then?
Yes, ma'am.